turn right.
You need to go, please. Harsh braking near to the traffic light. I have no idea what happened there. That was not a good braking at all. I'm giving you the benefit of doubt, minor. Some examiner may give you the serious fault. And then I have to give you serious fault because you are in the box, right?
Yeah.
Now think about the crossroad junctions controlled by the traffic light. It's not a crossroad junction, but it's similar to it. We're in the box, traffic light is green, so we're not turning right because there's a car coming. When the traffic light goes red, what do we do?
I should have moved.
Now if we don't move, what risk you think you are taking?
The other
Traffic from your right
will try
they
to
can't go.
Yeah,
Well, they can't go because so that will be a serious fault, unfortunately. Okay.
That was my bad.